Hi guys, my name is Danielle Palmer, and I'm a therapist here at Naya Clinics. I've noticed how often people approach the beginning of a new year as a fresh start. Even though we experience many much smaller versions of this all the time, like a new hour, day, or month, there is something about a year that seems magical to most. Because of this, we often hear or see people talk about their plans to make a particular year their year. Many hopes of that future include changes in health, employment, relationships, and happiness. During my time as a therapist, I've learned how difficult it is to maintain changes without a positive, intentional mindset. Negativity fills this world we live in so often. When you look around the corner, you can find pessimism, envy, sabotage, and discouragement so easily. It can be incredibly difficult to take the steps towards improving your life with those walking beside you. That is why I encourage my clients to make their walk with intention, being acutely aware of how they are impacted. Are you surrounding yourself around those who support you? Are you setting yourself up for success or defeat? Do you have a positive mindset? Your mindset can be the very thing that stands in the way between you and your goals. In order to make this year your year, I encourage you to spend some time focusing on your mindset. I want to give you some tips to get you started. First, what are you saying to yourself? The way you speak is a direct reflection of the way you think. In other words, your language influences your mindset. When the words that come out of your mouth are laced with negativity, your mind begins to accept that negativity for what is and what will be. On the flip side, when your words are more positive, not obnoxiously bubbly, your mind will follow in its path. For instance, if you said, "The weather is terrible today," versus, "I wish the sun was out, let's hope the weather clears up soon." Even if it doesn't change the weather itself, I promise it will impact your view of the day. Number 2, spend moments with positive people. Intentionally decide to devote time to people in your life who encourage this positive mindset. We all know the people in our life who put us down or bring us up. Know your people and include them on your journey. Your walk doesn't have to be a lonely one. Number 3, process your emotions. Feelings and emotions are tricky. Sometimes we convince ourselves that we're fine when we're actually struggling more than we're willing to admit. Emotions can be pushed deep inside, acting like they have gone away, but in reality, they are nestled there waiting for the perfect chance to storm out. Allowing negative emotions to build up can be critical, because an overflow of those emotions can lead to a negative mindset. Instead, when those pesky feelings and emotions come along, give yourself the chance to deal with and process them. Maybe you want to see a therapist to help you out with that, or a trusting friend, or an outlet that gives you the space to do so. However you decide, choosing yourself in this way will have a significant impact on developing a positive mindset for 2020. Number 4, be in the here and now. So often we become hyper-focused on the past and future. When we linger in the past for too long, it can lead us to obsessing over the future in order to correct or fix our mistakes. Instead, allow your past to teach you lessons, while the future reminds you of what you can achieve. Living in the past or future will prevent you from making and taking the necessary steps in the present. That fixation has negative properties all over it, while being in the here and now gives you the space you need to get there. Number 5, love who you are. Loving yourself doesn't mean you don't wish to make changes. Self-love is the foundation for a positive mindset. When you love yourself, you see your worth and value while creating space to make healthy changes. It's the kind of space that allows you to feel happy and motivated to be the best version of yourself. Let me state this clearly. Just because you want to be the best version of you doesn't mean the you are today isn't good enough. Lastly, number 6, be kind. Never underestimate the power of kindness. When you choose to spread that positivity and happiness into another person's life, you are automatically increasing these areas in yours as well. There is plenty of it to go around, yet most people are lacking it. In the words of Bob Goff, throw kindness around like confetti. Creating a positive mindset is more than telling yourself to think positive. Yes, begin thinking positively, but also incorporate that positivity into as many areas of your life as possible. Begin with this list and see where else you can take it. Ask yourself, what are the things that impact your mind, both positively and negatively? Whether or not you have goals for yourself during this new year, I hope you put in the work to transform your outlook. If you're interested in learning more or have a desire to make changes in your life, I'd be more than happy to help. Feel free to schedule an appointment online if you'd like to discuss more. You can book your appointment at Naya Clinics.